Hey guys, I'm Jameson with Rogue Engineer, and today on this part of our cabinet series, I'm going to be showing you how to build this 30-inch wide, 2-door, 1-drawer cabinet. So thanks for tuning in to this part of our cabinet series. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want more details on, for instance, how we installed the door hinges and the hardware, from end panels to crown molding to other cabinets, we're going to be linking up all of those directly below. As always, take care, be safe, and happy building.